The Dallas Cowboys hosted the New Orleans Saints on Thanksgiving and they choked on a goddamn wishbone. The Who-Dat Saints came out firing on all cylinders in the first half. This game looked like it was going to be a fucking blowout from the get-go. The Cowboys' defense looked more confused than a blind lesbian in a fish market. Brees and the Saints went from leading by 17 to trailing midway through the fourth quarter. Big D finally pulled their heads out of their ass and fought their way back and were actually leading 27-23 late in the fourth quarter. Roy Williams, hello. Need some tape for your hands, dickhead. I've never dropped so many F-bombs around relatives in all my life. Thanks, Roy, you dumb douchebag. The Cowboys were about to seal the victory with a long pass play to Roy Williams when safety Malcolm Jenkins swiped the ball and Roy coughed up the damn pigskin. Are you fucking kidding me? This game was now in the hands of our sorry-ass secondary. Brees drove 89 yards for a go-ahead touchdown with under 2 minutes left in the fourth quarter and made the Dallas defense look like a fucking Pop Warner team. Once again we see fucking Terrence Newman get burned like bacon on a pass play. Despite Roy Williams' bullshit blunder and Newman getting burned by a New Orleans receiver, Big D still had a chance to tie this game or even win it. Unfortunately, the play calling and clock management on Dallas's last drive was fucking horrible. Dallas kicker David Buehler narrowly missed a 59-yard field goal with 25 seconds left that would have tied it, and the Saints held on for a 30-27 victory. Ball game, bitches. This game was a fucking heartbreaker, folks. The Cowboys had this one wrapped up and let it slip away. Dallas had their opportunities and didn't capitalize on enough of them while giving the Saints too many chances. By the way, where in the fuck is the running game, Dallas? The Cowboys' biggest run yardage of the day was on a reverse to wide receiver Miles Austin. Three-headed monster my ass. The Cowboys showed some heart and fought back instead of throwing in the towel like they were doing under Wade Phillips. Fucking yippee. Also, to my man Dez Bryant, I like your game a lot, but you better chill the fuck out on all this crybaby sideline horse shit. Perhaps you need a fucking timeout, kiddo. I'm seeing a little progress with this team under interim coach Jason Garrett, but it's nothing to write home about so far. Good teams find ways to win games like these. Big D is far from being a good team and the play calling is still suspect in my book. This was a big test for the Cowboys and the defense failed in the end. It doesn't get any easier, folks. Next up, Peyton Manning and the Colts. Can you say, carved up secondary? And then, a huge Philadelphia douchebag turd named Michael Vick and the bitch-ass Eagles. Let's go Cowboys.